Hello Click Designers. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can locate and access all of your Facebook post templates in your ClickDesigns marketing kit. Now keep in mind, this does depend on the access level that you have on your ClickDesigns account. So after you've logged into your account, head on over to the Templates tab. And once you clicked on that, you will immediately be greeted with different categories of different graphic templates that ClickDesigns has to offer. So just head on over to this arrow sign right here and keep on clicking until you land on a category that reads marketing. So click on this, and once you do, you will see several different categories of several different social media platforms. So we have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, Presentation, Fiverr, and Upwork. So for this tutorial in particular, we are going to be looking at the Facebook section of the marketing kit. So make sure you have Facebook selected. And once you do, you will also be able to see several more categories on this side of your screen, which is basically a breakdown of additional types of Facebook marketing templates that you can access here on ClickDesigns. They also have their respective dimensions to also make it easier for you to create your posts. So here we have the Facebook right column ad, which is 1080 by 1080, the Facebook feed ad, the Facebook marketplace ad, the Facebook cover photo, which is 851 by 315, the Facebook event cover, which is 1920 by 1080, the Facebook group cover, which is 1640 by 856, the Facebook standard advert, which is 1200 by 628, and lastly, the Facebook wall post, which is 940 by 788. So simply just click on each category to view their respective templates. So here is the right column ad. Let's look at the feed ad. So here are the templates for the feed ad. This is for the marketplace ads. So there are different templates here. For the Facebook cover photo, we have these templates. For the event cover, we also have different templates for that as well. For the group cover, so here are the templates. This is the template section for the standard advert. And lastly, the section for the Facebook wall post. So if there is a design or a template that you'd like, simply hover over it. So let's try this Black Friday one and just click on this icon over here with a pencil. This is the edit icon, which allows you to edit these templates specifically for Facebook. So that is how you locate and access all of your Facebook template posts under the ClickDesigns marketing kit. So thank you so much, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.